Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Forgotten Weapons. I'm Ian McCollum, and today is just a reminder that if you're looking for that cool gift for yourself or another fellow firearms enthusiast in your life, check out headstamppublishing.com. We have a ton of really cool books available and shipping right now. So our two best sellers at the moment are the two first volumes of our World War II series. We have Small Arms of the United States, World War II, and the Small Arms of the Soviet Union. Now, the Soviet Union book, this is my advanced copy. It has arrived in the US. It is en route to our warehouse right now, and I expect them to be shipping in 1 to 2 weeks. And I'll be doing a full video on the book when it comes out. But it is available for pre-order. It almost certainly will not arrive. In fact, it will not. Let me just say, it will not arrive in time for Christmas, but it is available right now. And if you want to order it, we'll get it shipped out to you as soon as they arrive. But it's not just these. We also have in stock and shipping my other two books, Pistols of the Warlords on cool, funky Chinese mystery pistols, and Chassepot to FAMAS, my first book on French military rifles. And of course, we also have Jonathan Ferguson's book, Thornycroft to SA-80 on British bullpup rifles. You may have heard of Jonathan Ferguson. He also has a YouTube channel and administers one of the finest gun collections in the world. If you want a bit more esoteric of a subject, we have Swords of the Emperor and Tobacco of the Emperor on Japanese World War II tobacco, cigarettes, pipes, etc., and swords, as well as, of course, our 2-volume set, Clockwork Basilisk, on the Collier revolvers. All very cool subjects that will appeal to at least 1 or 2 people out there watching. This is some fairly esoteric stuff, but really cool books. Or if you're looking for coffee table style books, we actually are also resellers of the Vickers Guide series. And so we have a whole bunch of Vickers Guide books also available at Headstamp Publishing. I won't bring them all out because I don't think my table here could support them, but as an example, the most recently published are the first 3 volumes of the HK series on pistols, submachine guns, and roller-delayed rifles. Also, very cool books. For those of you who are tempted by pre-orders, we also have 2 other books, aside from World War II Soviet Union, that are available on pre-order. One of them is Rifles on the Danube. That is about Hungarian AKs. It's a pretty sweet book. It is currently in the middle of the printing process. Don't have an exact arrival date for it yet, but it'll be early next year. And Licensed Troubleshooter, The Guns of James Bond, which is also a fantastic book. We try to only do the really cool books. Licensed Troubleshooter is in the last stages of its editing. We had a bunch of material we had to add as a result of Kickstarter stretch goals. So again, no specific ETA on that one. That will be in the spring of next year, I expect. So let's see, beyond that, we also have a number of small books, Who Invented the Wheel Gun, Arming the Dragon, about Chinese Mauser rifles, and a whole bunch of other small stuff if you're interested in it. Definitely check out the website, headstampublishing.com. I have a link in the description text below, and I bet you can find something cool for yourself or for that significant other or friend who is also interested in firearms. Check it out. Thanks for watching.